Got 2 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour, 9, 11, 15 right there. 12, go faster. Faster, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 15, you're good. Stay there, 15, 15, 15. Let's go, get on it. Small left turn, keep going, on your right hand side. They're all straight? Yeah. We're still only at 180. Big rock on the left. Big hole coming. Oh, that was the left right there. My God. I'm sorry.
You're good.
Mile 12.
Okay, well you got that puddle up here.
Stay left on this. Exactly that hole. Right. That hole's right here. Go left, left. There you go. Good job, good job. Oh shit, keep.
Wipe. Can't see shit.
Okay, I'm getting it.
I can't see at all. I have to go with my visor on.
I can't see any dust, but fuck, it's because it's fucking rainy. Doesn't mean they're not there. They're always coming. Medium right. Ugh. Left. Big old water puddle coming up. Stay right. Good job. Nice. What's going on?
I just can't see anything.
Okay. Wanna try this or what?
Can you see out of your helmet?
I can, yeah, I'm sorry.
Really? Shit. I don't know, maybe it's because I opened it up.
I don't know. Oh, you're fogging up?
No, I just can't see anything, so I have to open it up. Fucking pounding rain.
So hard right.
That's what I mean, I can't see anything.
Okay. We gotta figure this out.
I need to...
Okay, we got a hard right. Medium right. Stop left. So we have a hard right here. It's hard right.
So good.
Okay.
No problem.
Watch your rocks. I can't tell. Can you tell? It's not far. You can see this side. Yeah, we're right on the rim. coming up, 25 miles an hour.
What are we at?
27, 25, 23, 20, 23, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Remember, go across the road. Where that? Go up there, up there, up there.
Yeah,
Up,
sorry.
up, 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 up. We got a flat. Back tire's got a flat.
You got a spare on here?
Fuck.
You have a spare boot? You have a spare boot on you? Wire went down the side. I mean, I can pack it full of grease if you want. You can take off a try, but it's gonna break. Right?
Well, the boot's gone now. The boot's.
That's what I'm
the
saying.
boot's off.
We need
If we add another boot.
Wait, pull those nippers out. There's like get this wire cut off. The wire cutter's in that one cabinet right there. Far right, right there.
where the boot tire went down.
Yeah, I'm tight.
Can I warm up the car?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. $26 miles an hour. All right, let's go. Give me a medium right, and it's long. Okay? Gonna go left up the crest. Big rock. Big rock on your left-hand side. Stay right, stay right. It's gonna be a hard right coming up right now. Mile 37. All right, we got a guy coming up right now. Very left, very left. Fucking thing. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Okay. I'm honking him. I'm honking him, I'm honking him. I'm honking him, I'm honking him, I'm honking him. Fuck it, nerf him. Don't hit him hard. There you go. Alright, we're good. 33, 32, 30, 25 right there. 20. 55, you're good. Okay, let's go. Long right?
Got that G-out up here.
Yeah, I know. Coming up here. 25 miles, 25 miles, 25 miles. 43 going too fast, slow down. 27, 23, 22.
I just want to catch this guy. I'm tired of sitting in his dust.
25, 26 for kids.
Oh, he's pulling in. Oh, no.
I'm honking him. Oh, shit. I'm honking him. I don't know if our horn's working. I can't hear it. Yeah, no. Oh, that was hard. Finally started working. Fuck, we never before we honked him. Broke him. Gotta lay off that gas on the back wheels are on the ground, off the air, in the air.
Okay, I'm back in the truck for a little bit. Snorts Freeway was at about 10:10. 10 miles after pit B. We have a retrieval about 10 miles out of pit B, about 10 miles out of pit B for 10:10.
So we are about 10 miles from pit B. We have a broken transmission. We had about an hour and a half or two of downtime after I got a flat tire and the CV part, and we had to change that. And now we're waiting for retrieval. Alright, we got our retrieval Jeep here, ready to get towed somewhere.